Thinklabs One is the most powerful stethoscope in the world. The One fits in the palm of your hand. It's easy to use and runs on a rechargeable lithium-ion battery. Just push any button to turn it on. You can use Thinklabs earbuds or most audio headphones. No more stiff rubber stethoscope tubes. Just make sure to plug your headphones all the way in to the recessed jack to ensure a reliable audio connection. Thinklabs One has fully adjustable volume. The One turns off automatically after a few minutes of use, or you can shut it off manually and check the battery level at the same time. Just press and hold these two buttons for 2 seconds and then release. The scrolling LEDs indicate battery charge level. During normal use, the battery light will begin flashing to alert you when it's getting low. Charge the battery with the Thinklabs charger provided with your One. Look for a flashing battery light while the unit is charging. When the stethoscope is fully charged, the light will remain on. Frequency filters on the One allow you to amplify specific body sounds. This is similar to bell and diaphragm modes, where you use bell for lower-pitched sounds and diaphragm for higher-pitched sounds. Unlike a conventional stethoscope, you don't turn the One over, but you can select for lower frequency or higher frequency sounds. Pitch or frequency is measured in hertz and represented graphically on the low to high hertz scale. The One is factory set to a lower frequency for heart sounds and a higher frequency for lung sounds. You can change quickly between the two by clicking the F button. To change a filter, push and hold the F button for 2 seconds until you see the LEDs move position. Release the button and repeat the push and hold steps until you've chosen your first favorite filter setting. Now, change your second default setting. Click the F button and repeat the push and hold steps until you reach your second favorite filter setting. Now you've saved your 2 favorite filter settings. Now that your 2 favorite filters are set, you can quickly alternate between the two. This makes the One easy to use in a clinical setting. If you have all the filters open, you will have completely unfiltered sound, which is most commonly used in research. You may also hear more ambient sound in this mode. You can change the automatic shutoff time on the Thinklabs One and set it between 1 and 10 minutes. Start with the One in off mode and then power it on. Click the A button once for every minute you want the stethoscope to stay on. After the last click, press and hold the button for about 15 seconds until the One shuts off. You've now saved your desired shutoff time. You can use Thinklabs One with most audio headphones. Look for headphones that offer good bass, comfort, and quality. Music headphones are also great for auscultation. Even those that have a thicker plug will work using the headphone adapter that's included with your One. Connect the One to a headphone splitter to share sounds with a student, patient, or the family of a patient. Clean your One regularly with alcohol, Cavi wipes, Steriplex, or other regular hospital wipes. It can then be polished to a shine with a microfiber cloth. Don't ever submerge your stethoscope in liquid or use heat sterilization. Thinklabs One has a standard 3.5mm jack, so it can be connected to various listening devices for different uses. You can use a USB device to connect to computers and some telemedicine carts. Think of the stethoscope as an external microphone. Using the long cable provided, connect the stethoscope to the pink jack and your headphones to the green jack to listen simultaneously. Plug the adapter into the USB port of your computer and you're ready to record. Plugging a splitter into the pink mic jack and connecting your stethoscope and headphones into the splitter provides a more direct headphone connection to the One. These products and features make Thinklabs the total solution for telemedicine. Connecting the One to a loudspeaker allows everyone to listen to patient sounds around a bedside and transforms the teaching experience. The ThinkLink mobile kit allows you to make recordings with the One on most mobile devices. You can listen while recording and play back your recordings. Use the long cable provided to connect your stethoscope to the bottom left jack. Connect your headphones to the top left jack, and use the short cable to connect your mobile device to the bottom right jack. If your mobile device does not have a 3.5mm headphone jack, use a 3.5mm adapter to connect the One. Start with the lowest possible volume level for the best sound quality. Keep the source switch in the middle position to adjust the volume of the stethoscope. Slide the monitor switch to the left to hear the sound of the stethoscope. This is the most common recording position. To fine-tune recording on your device, you can adjust the source switch position. The source switch adjusts the sound level into your mobile device, enabling you to set a low level or high level. Start with the source switch in the middle position. If the sound level being recorded on your mobile device is too low, try the high position. Aside from adjusting the source switch, use the volume control to optimize recording and listening levels. To play back your recording while you're still connected and listening through your headphones, slide the monitor switch to the far right. For more information about ThinkLink, refer to your manual or check out our online support center at support.thinklabs.com. Use Thinklabs Wave or other audio recording apps to make and edit high-quality heart and lung sound recordings. Thinklabs Wave enables you to capture, analyze, and share sounds from different parts of the body. Create a recording, edit, and annotate it. Email the recording or save it to the patient record. Thinklabs One, the one and only stethoscope you'll ever need.